What's up guys, welcome back with me Sneak Compare, and right now I'm going to do quick comparison between Nike Kyrie 3 Kyrache Lite. So let's take a closer look. As you can see here on the marking area, it is same with the other colorways. Here is the major flaws here. Always like this, the fake, it's not on point according to the authentic. It's slightly to the right. Also this one is not on point, and look at this, the flywire cable here, it's not tight like the authentic. Look at the fake here, it's loose, it's way too loose. This one also still same, it's slightly to the right, it's not on point with the midsole. Moving on the other side of the shoes, this one is pretty far, it's way too far here. The black line, you can see it's not on point with the midsole, and this one also spinning around to the back of the shoes, as you can see on the fake. So the color here is to a slightly bigger than the authentic. And moving to the thread here, you can see the thread is pretty different colorway. So there is a orange, black, and then blue, and then light blue. But look at the fake here, there is no black here. Also this one, there is no black color on the outsole. It should be like this. Alright, that's my explanation. I hope you understand, and if you have any question, just write down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so I can make another video for you guys. So thank you very much, see you on the next video.